Wow, the Workers' Party works without Low Thia Khiang and Hougang.
30 years, time flies. That's life. But for 30 years, I think Hougang makes Singapore a different Singapore with the support of the Workers' Party. We have made good progress in terms of our political system, in terms of how to make the government more responsive, in terms of making progress in democracy. Without Hougang's support over the years, the Workers' Party will not be able to develop to what it is today, to organize itself, to build a foundation, and to thereby offer a wider service to Singapore, and hopefully will, change the political landscape to institutionalize our political system of checks and balance. And I think with the new appointment of the leader of opposition is a testimony of the progress we have made. And that I think Singaporeans remember Hougang.
For people to come to Parliament to check against it. I know we get sued. So I think we are fair.
The Workers' Party approach has been to be extremely reasonable, indeed low profile in Parliament, but come election time to turn into tigers and heroes.
Madam Speaker, I thank the Prime Minister for praising the Workers' Party's ability to fight in the elections. We have no intention to hide ourselves in Parliament. We seek the mandate for people to come to Parliament to check against the government, and we have done it honestly and sincerely. We have not turned this place into a theater. That shows we are responsible. And we will behave continuously as a rational and responsible party. And if members would, I believe members will agree that the Workers' Party has been rational. We have not come here with some wild policies or wild suggestions. We debate the policies, we came up with some suggestions, but these are not bankrupting the government coffer or suggesting to use a reserve. Election, I think we are also rational. We don't accuse the PAP of something that we cannot substantiate, or I know we get sued. So I think we are fair. And election is elections, and I thank the Minister for Prime Minister for noting that we can fight election. I'm sure the PAP can too. You are the government, and you have been the governing party for 50 years, and you got much people, talented people than the Workers' Party. How can you say that we are tiger and we are something else in Parliament? I'm sure the PAP can equally be tiger or lions. I know we get sued. So I think we are fair.
Are you going to retire? Are you going to I heard.
I am already retired.
Correct. So, but the news saying that you are coming somewhere during this election.
No, that's not.
That's rumors.
That's rumors. Okay. I'm not participating in the election. We got a younger generation who can move the party forward. They can do much better than me.
Right.
Yeah.
Are you going to retire? Are you going to I heard.
Former Workers' Party.
My view is that you are elected member of Parliament, so attending of Parliament should take priority over your other activities, because that's why you offer yourself to be elected. And Parliament is where your destination and where you represent the people. So even if you are not slated to speak, at least you got to know what happened in Parliament, what has been articulated. So to me, I think that's important. 的时间不长，那么在每一个政党或者领导人的这个发展过程里面，当然会有一些状况会出现，这个是正常的现象，也是一个成长过程。我觉得他已经尽力而为，因为他毕竟接手秘书长的时间不长，那么在每一个政党或者领导人的这个发展过程里面，当然会有一些状况会出现，这个是正常的现象，也是一个成长过程。我觉得他已经尽力而为，因为他毕竟接手秘书长的时间不长，那么在每一个政党或者领导人的这个发展过程里面，当然会有一些状况会出现，这个是正常的现象，也是一个成长过程。我觉得他已经尽力而为，因为他毕。
Is it Mr. Giam's position that unions have to be independent of and not associated with political parties?
To answer the leader, yes, exactly that's what I'm going to be coming to.
I believe Pritam Singh is a good politician. He's capable, competent leader with a heart for Singapore and Singaporean. I think Singaporeans today are mature. The voters are mature. We are now a mature democracy. The voters can make distinction between who is good politician and who is not a good politician. And I believe Pritam Singh is a good politician. He's capable, competent leader with a heart for Singapore and Singaporean. I think Singaporeans today are mature. The voters are mature. We are now a mature democracy. The voters can make distinction between who is good politician and who is not a good politician.
Hey, hello friends, we come to the end already. Have you subscribed yet? Press the subscribe button and the like button and share button. Thank you and have a nice day.